So the course content. So we are going to discuss the basics of ServiceNow. It's nothing but basic admin. Okay. Then we are going to start with advanced administration. Okay. In this, we are going to talk about configurations, enhancements, and more. Then we are going to talk about development, which is nothing but scripting in ServiceNow. Okay, so we are going to talk about coding, we are going to talk about JavaScript, and we are going to talk about ServiceNow scripting, which is nothing but the client classes and APIs. Okay, so we are going to talk about both client and server-side scripting. Then we are going to talk about integrations. What is the SOAP API and what is a REST API? So we are going to cover the overview of it. It's not that we are going to continue. We are going to talk each and everything about integration. How can you able to integrate ServiceNow with any of the third-party tool or anything? It's not like that. So we are going to cover the overview of the integrations, which is SOAP and REST API. Okay, and the course duration. So it might be around 35 to 40 hours. It's not 35 days or 40 days. It is 35 to 40 hours of training. Okay, and the timings will be mostly in the morning around this time, which is going to be around 7 a.m. IST, or probably in the night, which is around 11 p.m. IST. Okay, so which is convenient for you, we can able to schedule accordingly. As I'm working, I am not be able to available most probably from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So after that, we can able to schedule the calls, or we can able to schedule the specific class meeting. Okay, so this is about the course content, about the course duration. Any questions you have so far? Any things you wanted to ask about?
Are you going to cover a portal or widgets?
No. In this, we are going to cover only ITSM. Okay, so we are going to talk about only IT service management, because ServiceNow is huge right now. So if you want to learn anything extra, that will be, again, you have to add at least 20 to 30 hours of training. So if imagine that if you want to understand ITGuru, you need to have at least 20 hours of training. And if you want to understand ITAM or HRSD or service portal, okay, everything costs around some different timings, so which is around almost you are going to spend at least 40 hours combining all of this only. Okay, so ITSM ServiceNow is huge right now. So main and most important thing is ITSM. So if you want to be a developer of ServiceNow and if you want to learn ServiceNow platform, the most important thing you need to learn is ITSM. These are the basics. And this is going to be the most important thing if you want to survive in the ServiceNow industry. Am I clearing about?
And what is ITOM?
It is IT operations management. It includes of CMDB, discovery, orchestration, mid servers, and many more.
So in this course, are you going to cover mid server when you will be talking about integration?
I'm going to explain you what exactly the mid servers are, how to install it, but not in depth.
Okay. Yeah, as long as if you can cover some basics of mid servers, because most of the time it is used for integration, so that'll
Yes,
be really helpful. Yeah.
yes, I'll cover the basics. What exactly are mid servers? How can you able to find it? and how do you install it, how do you configure it, and all the stuff. Okay,
Hmm.
perfect.